Christmas. Ty, it's time for the star. Hold it, Sarah. Hold it. Come, Ty. Hold it too. Put it. Put it. Put it. Yay! Let it go. Bravo!
Bravo!
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a very fresh day here in France. By the look of things outside, you know that we here in Nice do not have our heaters on as yet. Inside is so warm, we do not need our heater. In Paris area, however, and in the other sides of France, cold, and they do need their heater. But us, no heater inside as yet. And also because where our home is located within the building, we have a warm section, so I think that's one of the reasons why in here is so warm. But if you guys have to already turn on your heaters, then stay warm. Stay warm. I am up and making breakfast for the fam. Well, Tyler and Sarah already have breakfast. I'm really making breakfast for Babe and I. But normally when this happens, they always have with us, especially when it's pancake, which is Tyler's favorite. Tyler loves pancake. So anyway, baby's still in bed, laying down a little bit longer. Well, I am up making breakfast. Sometime in the mornings, when I'm not too tired, I just cannot stay in the bed. Especially today, why? I have so much on my agenda in my head that I want to knock down today. One, I have to put up my Christmas tree today. If I don't do anything at all today, the Christmas tree is going up today. So that, you guys, if you've been following us for a while, you know that's a family activity, so no one person do it, all four of us do it together. So Christmas tree is going up today. I need to take out some clothes out of Sarah's closet that doesn't fit anymore and put in some fresh ones, some new ones. So that's what I'm going to do today. Also, Babe and I want to go and organize around the back and go donate a lot of clothes and toys that the kids have around here. We don't know anybody in the area to give, so we're just gonna donate them to people who want it. And look who I have with moi, my favorite. Okay, my favorite boy. Say hello to the fish.
Hello, fish.
Is that the wrong one?
No.
You just saying hello today?
Yes.
Okay. I love you.
Mama.
I love you.
I love you too. It's a bit strange in my book. You know why?
Why?
Because I don't see no devoir for today. The last devoir I see on the Friday list is the one of yesterday.
But remember, Friday devoir would have been from the Tuesday teacher. So look in the Tuesday section. Remember?
Or maybe the Monday section.
Yeah, look.
We can look at the Monday section.
Tyler is looking over his book to ensure he does all his homework to return to school tomorrow. I'm sure all of you who are still parenting kids, young kids going to school on a Sunday, that's what most of us does, is to look over to make sure all the homework is done and
Mama.
they're ready for school. Anyway, you guys, I have pancake and eggs on the menu. I'm gonna do that. And then we'll catch you guys through the rest of today with the rest of the family. I hear Sarah coming, so you guys will see that little princess right now. Come here, look. Come here, Sarah. Look here. Say good morning, Fizz.
Come here, babe.
What are you doing?
Eating
What are you doing? You're playing in brother room? You're playing in Tai room? Yes? I love you. I love you. I love you. I see her in her shoes. She went for her shoes and bring it to me and say, Mama, school. She think we're taking Tai to school this morning. She look forward to catching that fresh air in the morning. Strutting her stuff down the street to bring Tyler to school. She loved taking her morning walks to school with Tai. Anyway, you guys, breakfast is on the double. Let me know what you guys having for breakfast. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Please, guys. Subscribe. And if it's not your first time, just check your notification bell to ensure that the bell is on. The notification bell is just beside the word subscribe on the right. Just click on it and select all. That way you'll get every notification when we upload. Mama. If you don't get notification, just go to our channel Monday to Friday. A video is there, promise. That's true. That's why I tell you, good job.
I wanted to waste the water. That's why.
Good job, and not just that. There's people in this world who don't have any water. That's not nice. All right, you guys, who has joined me in the kitchen? Who has joined me? This one, my handbag. She want to mix. Tyler want to help, of course. He want to do the eggs. Tyler gonna do the eggs for Mama. Alright, you remember what to do, man. That's okay. That's a good trick. Both fingers. No, don't squeeze it. You push your finger in the hole and open it up, because if you squeeze it, you're gonna get trash. You're gonna get trash. Push your finger here, open it up. Don't squeeze the trash, just open. Right. You see, no trash you got in that one. Very good. Just put it down here. Very good, Ty. It's okay to get messy. Remember, don't squeeze the trash, just open. Don't hit in the same hole, hit this side. When you hit and you get a hole, you don't hit in the same hole else you get trash. Pull, don't squeeze the trash, just pull. And if you ever see any trash falling, you tell me. Very good. That's a good hit. Let me put some pepper. Hold the black circle. Hold the black, only the black. Hold it like that. Move this. Okay. Spin this. Right. Keep spinning. Spin. Keep going. Good job. Keep going. Alright, stop now. So clear all of it. Go ahead. Take up the spatula beside you and mix it. Using this part to mix like that. Mix it until it cooks. Take your time. Slowly. It's egg. Slowly. Keep mixing all of it. Huh? Breakfast is ready.
And people are happy.
Are you?
Yeah.
Good to know.
Bon appétit tout le monde.
Bon appétit aussi. When they already eat, they're joining us. We are ready to put up the Christmas tree. Yay. Wow, we're ready to put up the Christmas tree. Come, Tay, come. Sarah. Hey, Sarah, come. Come to Tai. Sarah want to open the gift on the tree. Look at her.
Look, she's taking his time.
Hey! Leave it! Hey! Sarah! Sarah! What do you want? You want Kado? What Kado? See Kado here. Kado is gift in French. Kado. Thank you. She said open it. You guys, what a day we've been having. Babe and I has been so busy. We've been sorting the kids' toys, taking out toys to donate, toys to throw away, and toys to come back in the house. The same with clothes. We have so many bags to donate, so we're gonna drop them in the donation pan later. And clearing out because Christmas is coming and we know the kids going to get gifts, so we're making space. These kids have so much gifts, it's not even funny. Anyway, you guys, that's what the day has been looking like. The kids take a nap and Babe and I has been just taking time to sort things out. We're still not finished, but we feel somewhat accomplished. I'm in the kitchen right now because it's dinner time. Dinner time. You guys have my onesie? It's a onesie that I show you guys that I bought a few days ago. It's so warm and cozy. So I'm making dinner, and since I've been so busy and I feel a little bit exhausted, I am not throwing down no big cooking today. So I am making, can you guess what's the easiest thing you could cook if you don't feel like cooking anything that takes time? As a Jamaican, think Jamaica, what a dish you could cook that would take like 15 minutes, 20 minutes max? Comment down below and tell me what you think I'm cooking. I'll give you time. I'll give you time, girl. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Tyler, you know what I'm cooking?
Yes.
Really? You heard me tell Papa?
Yes, I know.
You heard me tell Papa? You're too funny.
I'm going to tell them.
Okay, tell
Because the
them.
answer is...
Dun, dun, dun. But wait.
Oh no.
I don't see any.
Why you want to tell you if you want to tell me, yeah? So look better.
C'est pas vrai?
Ils don't have any fois.
But no.
Mama, what do you have?
Oh my God.
Mama, what's missing?
My heart is literally skipping a beat. I was so confident that I have. But I'm not seeing any. It's a joke.
Don't say any
Oh.
what?
Phew. Because when I'm confident in myself, knowing something, I'm confident in myself. Okay. That's what I'm looking for, girl.
Nice and Colby.
Yes, for the win. I was about to pass out. Like literally pass out. I was about to say, okay, dinner is just gonna take a little bit longer than expected because I'm gonna have to make chicken. Look at this girl. So it's corned beef for the win. Sarah, why do you like to climb up on my counter so much? It's not the supermarket haul we're doing. What are you doing up here? Look at her. Look at the faves. Faves there. Look. Say hello, faves. Say hello to the faves. Look. Look up. Up. Say hello, faves. Say hello, faves. Can you say hello? Say hello, faves. No more. It's the grapes she wanted. She came for it and she's gone. She come on the counter to get grapes and she's gone. Anyway, you guys, I am going to finish making dinner. Show them your baby. Show faves your baby. Don't ask me why she love always have two babies. Always two babies, never one. Hi. I love you. I love you. Dinner was so good. I wanted to just dive in because of the look. I started eating and didn't even show you guys what I have for dinner. How the dinner look. So yeah, that's it. Right there, girl. Sarah and her broccoli. You guys, I'm down to my last gift for the night. I have been gift wrapping all night. Lies. I've been gift wrapping since I put the kids down to bed. That makes more sense. And I'm down to the last one. And I am so tired. I got so much things done today. I feel accomplished. And now I just want to sit, relax, drink something, and eat something I'm not supposed to be eating at this time of the night. You know what I mean? I want some kind of chips, or I'd eat a banana chips right now, but I don't have any. I ordered a package from Vanetta. I'm the girl in Belgium that I order things from. So hopefully my package will come soon, babe. Let's end the vlog. Even I got so much done today. I feel like I won today. However,
we feel accomplished.
my editing like I would normally do on a Sunday.
You're gonna do it on a Monday.
I have to do it tomorrow morning.
I do it tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, and then
I have to do it tomorrow morning.
tomorrow night for the other day. Like you feel accomplished.
Yeah, speaking of accomplished. I'm wrapping my last gift for the night. What do you have to say for yourself?
Me? Nothing. Christmas is
You
coming.
haven't seen you all day. I
After
see
the
you, but
Sunday.
you haven't talked to them all day.
Yeah. You can't talk to them every day. You have to make them valuable. Myself valuable. Yeah. It's just the gift. Putting the Christmas tree is just a part of the waiting. So I can't wait. I like this moment. I like to see the kid. It already looks so excited. Tyler is always gonna be excited, but Sarah starting to be excited.
She cried today. She cried 2 times today. You know why she cried? She saw the ornament that we have on the tree that looked like a little gift box. And she thought it was a real gift. She picked it up and she said in French, "Cadeau, mama, cadeau, cadeau. Open it, please, open." She thought it was a real gift. She wanted to open the ornament on the tree. Oh my God.
So yeah, she's into it. So now, the next Christmas steps will be the Christmas
Calendar.
market
Oh.
in town. Hopefully, everything will be fine because of the COVID. For now, it should be there.
I'm
but
sure you have to do pass sanitary to go inside.
yeah, probably. But I mean, if it's pass sanitary,
Pass sanitary
fine.
is when you're vaccinated. You have to
At
scan
least
before you go in
it's
somewhere.
fine. It's not cancelled. So yeah. But also the next things to wear is gonna be the calendar for the kids.
Yeah.
The
If you
advent
get-
calendar.
Yeah, the advent calendar.
So
it's
they
very
can
common
look
across the world, so you
forward. Oh,
get to know
yeah.
what we're talking about.
They can look forward for the Christmas.
I didn't know about that growing up in Jamaica. We didn't have that in Jamaica
Ah.
growing up. It's when I came to France I know about advent calendar.
And then you realize that it was everywhere,
Yeah.
not only in France.
Yeah. But we still don't have it in Jamaica. Maybe they have it is now, but I didn't have that growing up.
Yeah, what you
I
have?
never see that growing up.
Is it chocolate everywhere?
Mm-mm.
You can make
We don't associate Christmas with chocolate in Jamaica.
No, but I'm talking about the advent calendar.
Yeah, I think so.
So in France,
In
most
UK
of the time
and
you
USA I
find
saw it's
chocolate. So I don't know if in your country, if you have the advent calendar, if it's chocolate too. So
Yeah, I like it. The first time I saw it, I bought one for myself. But this year I'm not gonna buy any for myself.
No, we
One
have
for
so
Tyler,
much
one for
chocolate.
Sarah. Oh my God, too much chocolate in this
too
house.
much chocolate. With chocolate, big chocolate. So anyway, guys, today was a special day for us. So hopefully
Christmas
enjoy
tree up,
today vlog.
gift well wrapped.
It's coming,
A few more to wrap, but
starting.
I don't like when they pile up on me. I like to get them out of my way and.
And by the way, you look fine in your rabbit,
Thank you, thank
in your
you.
bunny. She look like a bunny. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. It's so warm and cozy.
We're getting
I should
ready.
have buy one
We're
for
getting ready for this winter, and hopefully we're gonna see the snow.
Hopefully, we definitely gonna see the snow
Hopefully.
on this vacation. They know we're going on vacation, so you don't have to say hopefully. They know.
Hopefully, I mean, what if we go there, there's no snow?
That's not true. Not possible. Ain't not possible. In the
Okay.
mountains,
She
cold,
said it's not
freezing.
possible. So.
No, they already have snow there, so you're too funny. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And if you did, which I know you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below and let me know when you guys put up your Christmas tree I always put up my Christmas tree as November stepping. So this year I'm actually late. And I don't normally take down my Christmas tree early, but I don't have a specific time when I take down my Christmas tree. It's my favorite time of the year, so once I can see all the lights, I'm happy. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Keep up with the fam bam. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't mind my white foot, babe. Keep it on.
See you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.